Hi everyone, welcome to Road to Cat 99. So this is my final video. This is my final video for slot 1 candidates. I know it's Friday, right? Your paper is on Sunday and you must be sitting in the exam hall around at 7 a.m. on the Sunday. And through this video, I first want to congratulate all of you कि आपने अभी तक काफ़ी मेहनत की है ना. मे बी किसी की मेहनत थोड़ी सी कम हो, किसी की ज़्यादा हो. वी डोंट नो द फाइनल रिजल्ट, बट आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि you all have studied, you all have worked hard for your goals, and now is the time for you guys to shine, to prove what you are, है ना, to show your skills and to give the best attempt, to give the best efforts, right? Don't get nervous. अब स्लॉट 1 के रिगार्डिंग मैं कुछ स्पेसिफिक बातें, स्पेसिफिक एडवाइस की अगर बात करूं, राइट, द फर्स्ट थिंग इज कि प्लीज मेक श्योर यू आर कैरिंग योर एडमिट कार्ड, यू आर कैरिंग अ photograph should be the same. It different also works, but it should be the same. You are carrying your government ID card, and also please carry some water bottle, right? A transparent water bottle, please carry that. It really helps a lot, right? Second हम बात करें कि slot 1 specific आपको क्या चीज़ें ध्यान में रखनी है, right? So personally I would suggest you to do not listen to too many advices, right? If you have something in your mind, right, make sure you are working on that. Make sure you are stick to one strategy, right? Don't listen to too many people. And also I would say there is no fixed strategy, right? Let's say किसी ने अगर 100 percentile भी score किया है, right, and he or she was in slot 1 last year, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि उसकी स्ट्रेटेजी और आपकी स्ट्रेटेजी सेम होनी चाहिए, राइट? योर स्ट्रेटेजी कैन बी कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट बेस्ड ऑन योर एक्सपीरियंस, बेस्ड ऑन योर स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड बेस्ड ऑन योर वीकनेस. That is the first thing, right? Second thing, still, if you are in slot 1, right, you can expect some minor changes in the exam. I don't expect कि वहाँ पे कुछ big change आएगा, but yes, obviously you can expect some minor changes, especially in the DLR section. There can be some increase or decrease in the number of questions, or there may be addition of one more new set, right? You have to figure it out after your paper starts, right? Regarding the slot 1, there is one more thing, right? So basically slot 1 guys do not have any idea about the difficulty level of the paper, है ना, and you can't even predict, right? So I would say कि don't get biased, don't listen to anyone before the exam, right? जब आप एग्जाम देने जाओगे, right, don't listen to anyone, because literally no one knows कि difficulty level कौन से section का क्या है. And I am also pretty sure, right, it doesn't work like this कि last year वो कॉलेज ने ये दिया था, इस बार वो सेम ये देगा, नहीं, राइट? इट कंप्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन ईयर टू ईयर, इट कंप्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन द पेपर, राइट? अगर पेपर में आपको गो थ्रू करना पड़ेगा, इफ यू फील दैट VRC इज डिफिकल्ट, और इफ यू फील लेट्स से DILR और द क्वांट सेक्शन इज डिफिकल्ट, राइट, डोंट गेट नर्वस, बट प्लीज कीप वन थिंग इन माइंड कि जब भी आपका कोई एक पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन डिफिकल्ट आता है, सो यू गेट वेरी गुड परसेंटाइल एट लो मार्क्स, right? So even if you are attempting very less number of questions in that particular section which is difficult, right, don't get nervous and do not over attempt basically kills your positive marks, right? Over attempt करोगे, nervous होगे, negative marks आएंगे, and basically it lowers down your score, right? तो अगर आपको कोई भी section difficult लग रहा है, right, just make sure you are giving your best effort and do not change your strategy, right? Your strategy should be कि आपको जितना नॉलेज है आप उस नॉलेज से पेपर को अटेम्प्ट करोगे. एंड इफ द पेपर इज डिफिकल्ट, आई डोंट थिंक यू हैव टू वरी अबाउट दैट, बिकॉज आई थिंक अराउंड 2.8 लाख और 2.9 लाख कैंडिडेट्स विल गो फॉर द एग्जाम, एंड वहाँ पे आपकी परसेंटाइल एंड स्कोर ऑटोमेटिकली एडजस्ट हो जाते हैं, राइट? सो इफ ए पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन इज डिफिकल्ट, योर स्कोर्स एंड एवरीथिंग विल ऑटोमेटिकली बी एडजस्टेड. एंड आई विल ऑल्सो सजेस्ट यू to, when you open the paper, right, at least go through the entire paper in first 60 seconds, so you get an idea कि पेपर में कुछ changes हैं या नहीं है, and you also get some decent idea about कि what is the difficulty level of paper, right? And based on that you can meanwhile think how you gonna attempt this kind of paper. That is the second thing. Third thing, literally there is nothing that you need to worry about, right? So today is Friday, right? I really want you to spend time with your families, right? Maybe have some chat with your friends, right? And a little bit avoid the social media, right? Avoid discussion with random people, because you don't know who are the people who are there on Telegram, WhatsApp, or on some other platform, right? And they may put you in negativity, right? And then it will be very difficult to cope up with those type of things, especially in the last 2 days. And I would also suggest you to not give any mocks in the last 2 days, right? That is the another thing. And third thing, I want to tell you honestly कि really your CAT performance, right? It is not 100% dependent on your efforts or on what you did in the last 4-5 months. So even if you are feeling कि आपने उतना एफर्ट नहीं दिया एग्जाम में जितना आपको देना चाहिए, आपने उतनी पढ़ाई नहीं की एग्जाम के लिए जितनी आपको करनी चाहिए, still, right, you can score 99 percentile, you can even score 100 percentile also, because your score that you will be scoring, right, will only be reflected, will only be dependent on your performance in the CAT 2 hours, right? In the 2 hours of, I would say 8:15, I think 8:30 to 10:30, right? So अगर आपका 8:30 to 10:30 slot है, whatever you will be doing in that slot, that only matters, nothing else matters, right? And for the sake of simplicity, if you see the VRC, DLR or the QA, right, all the sections can be cracked with the simple logic. And even if you are prepared for, let's say, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, I can hope, I can expect कि आपका कुछ basics तो clear होगा for each and every section, right? Some very basic tips, I would say कि please go through the questions very carefully. Sometimes due to the habit of attempting a lot of mocks, right, you just, so this is a human behavior कि आप कोई क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हो एंड आपको पता लग जाता है अच्छा यही पूछा होगा, बट व्हाट हैपन्स इन द कैट ऑफन चेंजेस इट्स पैटर्न. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर उसने बोल दिया, अगर उसने 5 स्टेटमेंट्स दिए इन द VARC, राइट, आपको लगेगा कि ऑड मैन आउट का क्वेश्चन है, बट द क्वेश्चन कैन बी रिलेटेड टू फॉर्मिंग ए पैराग्राफ विद द 5 स्टेटमेंट्स, और मे बी द क्वेश्चन कैन आस्क यू टू फॉर्म ए पैराग्राफ बाय सिलेक्टिंग द 4 बेस्ट स्टेटमेंट्स, राइट. तो आपको पूरा क्वेश्चन गो थ्रू करना है, राइट. इट शुड नॉट हैपन कि आपको बाहर आके पता लगे देयर वर सम चेंजेस इन द पेपर्स, राइट. तो पेपर में even if you are attempting, let's say, not too many questions, but whatever things you are attempting, please put entire focus, please read the data carefully, please read the questions, please read what is asked. It also happens in the quants also. Sometimes the answer is asked in the meter per second, you answer it in the kilometer per hour. Sometimes the answer is asked in the milliliters, you answer it in liters. Sometimes it is asked to find minutes, you end up finding the seconds. तो ये छोटी छोटी गलतियां होती है जो बाद में आपको रियलाइज होता है कि दिस वाज द सिली मिस्टेक दैट यू डिड ड्यूरिंग द एग्जाम. सो प्लीज अवॉइड दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, राइट. एंड रेस्ट पार्ट, आई डोंट थिंक you need any other help, right? You have come this far and this is the final mock you will be attempting, right? And this mock is the one which matters a lot, right? So instead of getting tensed, right, about the results, about what you will be doing, about how would be the paper, but make sure ki it will be the same for everyone, and whatever result, whatever percentile you will be getting, it will be based on the relative marking, right? So your performance will be compared with other candidates. So just make sure that whatever problems other face, right, you don't face that. So if you have that kind of mindset, I think you have already beaten a lot of crowd, because a lot of जनता इज स्टिल कंफ्यूज्ड कि पेपर को कैसे अटेम्प्ट करना है, पेपर हार्ड आ गया तो क्या होगा, ये क्वेश्चन आ गया तो क्या होगा, वो क्वेश्चन आ गया तो क्या होगा, राइट. सो इफ यू आर नॉट वरीड अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स, आई थिंक यू विल क्रैक द पेपर easily and you will rock in the exam, right? So this is the final exam and whatever you will be doing in the exam, only those things matter. आपके mocks के नंबर कोई पूछने नहीं वाला. If you end up scoring 60 percentile, no one will bother about your marks in the mocks. Even if you have been scoring 99 percentile in the mocks, it doesn't matter. And if you score 99 percentile in the CAT, right, no one will ask you what you have been scoring, what type of silly mistakes you have been doing in the mocks. So this is the final thing that will matter. And just one more thing, you will have 120 minutes, right? You will have 2 hours, right? So there will be a lot of ups and downs in those 2 hours, and sometimes those 2 hours might feel a very long time, right? So कभी कभी आपको लगेगा टाइम बहुत जल्दी जा रहा है, कभी कभी आप इतने कंफ्यूज होगे, you end up over attempting, you end up making wrong choices. But just make sure कि that 120 minutes is the crucial 120 minute of your life, of your career, or I would say of 24th of November, right? And nobody can take those 120 minutes from you. You will be having full hold of 120 minutes. So just make sure you are not wasting any of the second. You are not getting nervous at any part. And in case you get nervous, I would say take rest for 30 seconds, take rest for 60 seconds, drink water. It really works. You can go to washroom. It won't take more than 60 seconds, 90 seconds. But if that 60 seconds, 90 seconds gap rest help you, right, in further sections, I would suggest you to go for that. That's it from my side. Thank you and have a very happy day.